Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks and rumors about Samsung's highly anticipated foldable devices, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. With a launch date set for July 10 and reservations already open, there's a lot to get excited about. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are set to run on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This means you can expect top-notch performance, enhanced AI features, and a smoother overall experience. Let's start with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. One of the biggest changes is its wider aspect ratio, providing a more immersive display experience. Samsung is also introducing limited dust resistance, adding an extra layer of durability to this premium device. But this premium experience comes at a cost. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will start at a hefty $1,899. However, Samsung's trade-in values look promising, making it a bit easier on your wallet. Now, onto the Galaxy Z Flip 6. This device will feature a bigger battery, ensuring longer usage throughout the day. Interestingly, Samsung is switching from an AMOLED to an LCD outer display for the Flip 6. While this might seem like a downgrade, it could potentially mean better durability and cost-effectiveness. Photography enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is rumored to sport an upgraded 50MP camera, promising sharper and more detailed shots. Both devices are set to include a dual-screen translation mode, similar to what we've seen on the Pixel Fold. This feature will make real-time translation a breeze, perfect for travelers and multilingual users. One thing to note about the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is its cover display. Leaks suggest a larger screen, but questions remain about app compatibility. Will it support all your favorite apps? We'll have to wait and see. As mentioned earlier, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will start at $1,899, while the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be priced at $1,099. The launch is just around the corner on July 10, and you can reserve yours now. So, there you have it. A comprehensive look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. With their innovative features and powerful specs, these devices are sure to make waves in the tech world. Are you planning to get one? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you next time. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest in tech news and reviews. Until next time, keep exploring the future of technology.